If your Siri is showing temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit and you want it the other way around, like in my example, I live in Pakistan, and whenever I ask for the temperature, this is what happens. What's the temperature right now?
It's currently 70 degrees.
Okay, as you guys can see, it is showing the temperature in Fahrenheit, but since I live in Pakistan, I wanted to display the temperature in Celsius. I've tried a lot of ways and it did not work, but I finally found a way to fix this problem. So in order to do this, first you need to go in settings, scroll down, go to general, scroll down, look for language and region. Tap language and region, scroll down, and you would see temperature. It doesn't matter if you change the region or not. I would not change the region. I'll keep it as United States, but I'll just go to temperature and I'll change it to Celsius. Now let's just try and see if it fixes the problem. I'll go ahead and ask Siri for the temperature again. What's the temperature right now?
It's 17 degrees right now.
As you guys can see, it just changed my temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that's how easy it is to change your temperature on your iPhones. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.